Good morning, guys. Today's a good day. Doing something exciting, fun, excited about the road. Hey, thanks so much for those sticker orders so far, guys. I'm really excited to start filling out some envelopes and shipping those out here before Thanksgiving. There's still a chance if you didn't get some. Remember, I'm doing the 2 for 3, so the new one and 2 of the old ones, $5, free shipping internationally. Can't beat it. Get your hands on some of those now if you want to help support the channel. I was getting ready to leave here, this Walmart, and I noticed there's like one tall tree in the whole lot. That's not a tree. That's a fake tree. It's a cell phone tower. And it's funny, I think the last one I saw was in Florida or Southern California a few years ago. Kind of built, shaped like a palm tree. And this one looks like a really, I don't even think it looks like a good fir tree. It's actually a really poor attempt, but it still cracks me up. So we're gonna head down into Chester today. So pack up all my groceries, should be good. Propane's good, water dumped the tanks. I couldn't be more prepared for a nice little adventure today. So come along with me, guys. Now, I know it looks a little gloomy here. It's not raining right now. I had to stop here in Chester, Illinois, because apparently they're home of Popeye. You guys remember Popeye? I watched Popeye. I know it's not for everybody, but I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. I'm strong to the finish because I ate the spinach. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. Cool. Okay. So, I beg your pardon. I don't know why it's home of Popeye. Maybe the creator or something, but let's go follow this character trail. You want to see all the characters of Popeye? Yeah, let's do that. Now, they spread these out too far to walk, even though they call it the trail. It's more like the driving trail. But, let's see what we got here. Oh, this is a Poop Deck Poppy. This is Popeye's dad here at the Cohen Complex. Okay. All right, and this is Alice the Goon and Child. And I'm actually gonna I can't go on all day without Googling something, so I'll find a map and... Oh, look, I just found out that L.Z. Seeger, born and raised in Chester, Illinois, was the cartoonist who created Popeye. So there you go. The creator of Popeye the cartoon is from Chester, Illinois. Okay, still a cool old town. Here's Bluto, one of Popeye's nemesises. Nemesi? What's the plural of nemesises? I don't know. They're decorating for Christmas. They got some Christmas lights in the street, which is kind of cool. Yeah. Chester is an awesome town. Here we are on Main Street, I guess. Everything is Popeye decorated. This is so cool. Another statue here of Wimpy. Aww. And, I mean, it's cold and off-season, but a big old mural. See historic Chester Popeye statue. Let's go to the front. They got the Spinach Can Collectibles and Museum. Closed. Look at that, Popeye fan club headquarters. Look at, I see magnets in there. Oh, there's magnets in there, guys. And then here at the library, they have coal oil here. They're like every 1 mile down the road. So I've just been pulling off and idling the RV to look at. I don't know. I'm probably missing a bunch. Sorry, everybody from Chester who likes the Popeye character trail. There's a lot of them, though, to see. I'm just not going to be able to see them all. I want to get to the water. What are you doing, mister? What the deal is? You traveling with Dad? What do you think of Popeye? Do you eat your spinach? You don't like spinach, huh? Neither do I. All right, and then here at the courthouse, yeah, olive oil. And although I can't see it, I know the mighty Mississippi River's on the other side of this building. So let me drive around and try to get a view of the water. There we go. The Mississippi River. And this is, I guess, the southern entrance of the Chester Welcome Center. Maybe this place is open. It is starting to sprinkle a little bit. Negative. They're closed too. But some information about my other two exploring nomad buddies, Lewis and Clark. I'm not going to say too much, but it's possible that I have a future spring Lewis and Clark themed trip. More on that later, though. We'll get to the most important statue of all, Popeye himself in bronze there, yep. And as you can see, the southern entrance here has actual information about L.Z. Seeger, the creator. Whereas where we came in, we had nothing except Google. But that looks awesome. Bye, Popeye. So, let's hug the river and see what I can come up with. Find some good camping. All right. Oh, so happy. As soon as I got into Missouri, I just paid $2.28 a gallon for gas, which is the cheapest on the entire Great River Road so far. It's pretty cool. Here's the other thing is I did find a campground about 47 minutes away. It's going to be dark by the time I get there, so just do what I can do. Let me log this in and I'll get back on the road. Step in front of my RV here so that I can be lit up here. This is where I'm gonna camp though. Okay, is that better? Yeah, okay, so let me get all situated and then I'm going to pack up some envelopes, get some more stickers sent out, and thank you so much guys for buying stickers. I love sending those out and I really appreciate everything guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are totally awesome. I'll cut back in when it's a little brighter in the morning here though. And good morning to you guys. Kind of weird showing up last night not being able to see what I was really at, but now we can get a better look at this place. Turkey Bayou Campground. They actually got an extension for this to run this until 2022, and it's open year-round for camping. In fact, I'm not the only camper. There's a van camper next to me and a couple, looks like hunting trailers over there. Every once in a while I hear a gunshot of sorts in the distance, but I gotta say, this might be the nicest campground I've seen on the Great River Road so far, and I'm including that paid one at the state park. I much rather prefer this free one on the water. A little chilly this morning. I got some coffee made, and this video I'll probably get this uploaded tomorrow, Tuesday, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of time off, guys. I know I'm not gonna post a video on Thanksgiving, but I will be back with you. I got something to take care of real quick. So be patient with me if you don't see a video from me. Always don't forget to check out my Instagram where I post some other important updates between videos. That's nomadicfanatic.tv on Instagram. I left the campground. I actually came back to Chester because I got the hours of that gift shop over there. I'm gonna go get a gift and possibly a magnet or something over there. It's open right now. I can see the open sign. So I'm gonna do that, and then probably, I don't want to say what I'm gonna do just yet because things are happening quickly here. And okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I am going to take 4 days off total. I should be back with you on Saturday with a new video with some updates because yeah. But anyway, thank you so much for ordering the stickers, guys. I am all caught up for the first batch of those. The second batch from Sunday's video, all of those orders, and Monday's will go out on Wednesday, tomorrow, the day before Thanksgiving. So hang tight. Thank you so much for helping to support the channel and everything, guys. It's been really fun packaging those up and sending them out. And I can't wait to see them on people's RVs or windows or whatever. But let me go over here, see what they got for magnets, and then I'll show you guys what they got. Yeah, so I got a Popeye Chester magnet. Add to my awesome collection right there. Oh yeah! Now, I asked her about the hours because they have a little thing out front that says they're open every day of the week. That's not right. She's only open a few days out of the week. She just doesn't change the sign. So maybe call first to find out if you're looking for souvenirs or magnets, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get back on the road, guys. Like I said, please enjoy your Thanksgiving with family, friends, and loved ones, and I will get back with you on Saturday. I appreciate each and every one of you for watching the channel and hanging out on this trip. See you later. Bye-bye.